Hello viewers, this is Shormi again from California. Welcome to our channel Shormi Mon. Today I am going to show you one of the popular American food which is called balsamic glazed salmon with rice. It is very healthy and very easy to cook. So let's go and see how I make it. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. To make this recipe, I need some butter and finely chopped garlic and parsley. I already cut the garlic, now I'm going to cut the parsley. I'm done with the prep. Now let's go to the stove and cook the salmon and rice. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter on the hot pan, and I will let it melt till I get a nice smell of the butter. Now I'm adding dry chili and garlic, and I will stir it for 30 seconds. Now add some salt and stir it well, and add the salmon. Let it cook on one side for 1 minute. In the meantime, I'm cooking the rice on the other stove and adding some salt while the rice is boiling. Now add some oil. Let's go back to the fish again. After 1 minute of cooking on one side, now I'm flipping the fish and I will let it cook on other side for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the salmon is little cooked, cover it up. While the rice is halfway cooked, now I'm adding carrots and peas in the rice. Let everything cook for 15 minutes, then our rice will be ready. Now is the important part of cooking this dish. So it's time to add the balsamic vinegar on the fish. This is the balsamic glazed vinegar that I always use. Now I am adding around half tablespoon, and I will add another half tablespoon later in the video. Cover it and let it cook. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and some broccoli, and let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then my food will be almost ready. At the end, I'm going to add some parsley and half tablespoon of balsamic glazed vinegar to garnish my food, and then I will cover it for another 30 seconds. Then my food will be ready to be served. Now I'm gonna go outside and enjoy my Southern California weather with my balsamic salmon with rice and vegetables. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.